Hey there. Ever found yourself struggling to match colors from an image to object in PowerPoint? Stick around because I have got some tips to make your design a game whole lot easier. Color matching between images and PowerPoint object is crucial in design. It can make or break the visual appeal of your presentation. So mastering this skill is a game changer. Now, how we usually do it? So we select the object and we try to match the colors from ready available shades like this, but it never match. So PowerPoint has updated an cool trick or easy tap to for it. So let me show it how to use it. So first select the shape which you want to match, then go to shape fill. Here we can see there is one tab eyedropper fill. So what I will do, I will select this, and if I have to match this color, I will tick on this, and you can see the color has matched exactly from the image. Now to get color code, what we can do, we can go to shape and we can shop shape format, then more color fills, and this is the hash code for the color. So we can copy it for the future reference. In same way, if I have to match this color with this object, I will select the object, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. I will select this color and this will match. I hope this will help you to making your presentation better and a more professional. Thank you.